Hey y'all, I'm back with another quick tutorial, and starting off I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow primer in nude, I believe. I'm going to use the Zulu palette by Juvias next. I love this palette, it is so freaking beautiful. I'm also using the James Charles Morphe palette as well. I love this palette too. Do y'all see all the beautiful colors, and they're so pigmented. Going back into that second palette, I'm going to grab that pink and blend out the edges of that darker eyeshadow. I'm cutting my crease with that same eyeshadow primer. I actually really like it. It's not bad. Also, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and all details and products will be listed below. For my inner lid, I'm taking, it looked like it's white on camera, but it's actually a real light pink, and I'm going to put that all in the inner, my inner lid. Now I'm taking a white shadow and I'm going to put that all in the middle of my lid. Then after that, I'm going to put that darker pink in my outer corners. Now for one of my favorite parts, I'm taking this, it's actually eyelash glue. I'm just going to put that on my inner corner of my lids to prep it, you know, for the glitter can stick to it. And I'm using this glitter I got from a friend actually, and it's actually some pretty good glitter. I actually like it, and this look came together really good. I'm using my holy grail, my favorite mascara, the Loreal telescopic. I'm going to put one coat of that on. Then I'm going to use these lashes. They're Kiss lashes. I don't remember the name of them at the moment, but I know they're Kiss lashes. They're like a new line of Kiss lashes. I prime my face with the Maybelline poreless primer. Then I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm just going to apply that with my foundation brush. This is my first time actually applying my foundation like this, but afterwards you're going to see that I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend the rest of it out. So I switched it up for you guys. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I believe it's called No Filter Concealer. And y'all, I am shook. Like, ColourPop did their thing with this concealer because I am loving it. And the way that it blends out is just so seamlessly. And I'm just blending that out with the damp beauty blender, damp with water. going to set that concealer using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Y'all already know, one of my all-time favorites. I'm going to contour my face to put the warmth back in with the Aesthetica contour palette. I'm going to contour my nose with that same palette. Taking a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to dust away that excess Sacha Buttercup powder. Going back in that Juvias palette, I'm going to take that pink and put that along my lower lash line. I'm going to make them lower lashes pop as well using that same mascara, Loreal Telescopic. And then for my highlighter, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. This highlighter I'm using is like, it look gold, but it goes on with like a, I can't even explain it. It look kind of pink when it goes on. You'll see. It's like a holographic, like it gives like a pink tone to it, and I felt like this went so well with this look. I was just so happy that it all came together. I'm using an NYX brown lip liner. I did go with NYX lip at first, but you see I didn't like it. So I'm going to put this other nude lip on top of it. And it's by Ritzy Cosmetics. To finish off the look, I'm going to set my face using a Morphe setting mist.